What's going on, guys? This is E from the Easy Entrepreneur platform. And as you know, I flip diabetic test strips, run a diabetic test strip business fully automated, right? This video is about how do I set this business up for the long haul. Now, you're gonna need to bring people in and help you do these pickups and take phone calls. And I'm saying that because and even though that's more advanced, but we're talking about the long haul, right? Say you're in the business for the last year or two. Most likely, if you're in the business for the last year or two, you're definitely making money and, you have a decent customer base, but you might get burnt out, or you want to grow, but you're tired, and you're not putting that time into the marketing and stuff like that to grow this thing. So first of all, to set this thing up for the long haul, you need to bring someone in and do some marketing for you, consistently every month. You need to bring someone to do some pickups. You need to bring some people in to start taking calls, whether it's for a few hours. It doesn't have to be all day, but whether it's for a few hours, just to kind of get your feet wet when it comes to managing people, and you're not spending a bunch of money. You know what I mean? As you're growing, you're able to bring these people on a little bit longer, right? But that's what you need to do. You gotta bring people in and start helping you run the business, right? Because you don't want to trade your job for another job, even though now this is your business, all right? So yeah, guys, I teach you guys that in my course, how I do that, how I set that up in very detail. So guys, link in the description. My number's in the description, so you can book a call. You can just shoot me a text. We could jump on the phone and talk about the business and what I got with my mentorship and my course. All right, we grossed 100,000 in 6 months in my business, and we're still just at the baby. Which this is just we're scratching the surface. So much more to do. Diabetic community is very large. All right, so guys, hit me up. All right, peace.